Welcome back everyone. Today, we will try learning another essential aspect of business strategy, competitive analysis. Every business operates within a competitive environment, and understanding your competition is key to staying ahead. If you don't know what your competitors are doing, you risk falling behind. That's why competitive analysis is so important. After all, business development is all about using the right tools and techniques so that you can gather valuable data about your competitors, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and make smarter strategic decisions. This lecture is an attempt to understand the importance of competitive analysis, learn key tools and techniques for gathering and interpreting competitor data, use competitive insights to inform your business strategy. Competitive analysis is the process of identifying and evaluating your competitors to understand their strengths, strategies, and weaknesses. It's more than just knowing who your competitors are. It's about digging deeper into their business models, marketing efforts, customer base, and market positioning. With this information, you can identify opportunities for differentiation, predict competitor moves, and adjust your strategies to maintain your competitive edge. A SWOT analysis is a straightforward tool that can be used not only to evaluate your own business but also to assess your competitors. By analyzing their strengths and weaknesses, you can understand what they do well and where they might be vulnerable. Look at opportunities and threats in the market to see how both you and your competitors are positioned. This will help you spot the gaps in the market that you can exploit. If a competitor has a strong brand but poor customer service, a weakness, you could focus on excelling in customer service to gain a competitive advantage. Michael Porter's 5 forces framework helps you analyze the competitive forces in an industry. The 5 forces include threats of new entrants. How easy is it for new competitors to enter the market? Bargaining power of suppliers. How much control do suppliers have over pricing and supply? Bargaining power of buyers. How much influence do customers have over pricing? Threat of substitute products. Are there alternative products or services that could replace yours? Industry rivalry. How fierce is the competition between existing businesses? Using this framework, you can assess how each force impacts your competitive environment and what strategies you need to develop to respond to these forces. Benchmarking involves comparing your company's performance against industry leaders or direct competitors. You can benchmark various aspects of your business, from financial performance to customer satisfaction. The goal is to identify areas where you can improve. By understanding what your competitors do better, you can develop strategies to catch up or surpass them. If a competitor's website converts visitors into customers at a higher rate, analyze their design, messaging, and user experience to understand what they are doing right. Apply those insights to your own website. Competitor profiling is the process of building detailed profiles of your key competitors. This includes gathering information on their products, pricing, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial performance. Competitor profiling allows you to predict their future moves and make proactive strategic decisions. For example, if a competitor is investing heavily in new product line, you can anticipate how it might affect your business and plan accordingly. Apple and Samsung constantly profile each other's moves in the smartphone market. When one releases a new feature, the other is quick to respond with a similar or improved version in the next product cycle. Let's consider the story of McDonald's and Burger King. These two fast food giants have been competing for decades. In the 1970s, Burger King launched a campaign targeting McDonald's directly with the slogan, "Have it your way," promoting customization and emphasizing the shortcomings of McDonald's fixed menu. McDonald's took notice and responded by improving their menu flexibility and marketing the change aggressively. This ongoing battle between the two brands is a classic case of how competitive analysis drives strategy. McDonald's monitored Burger King's moves, identified the threat, and adjusted their strategy to maintain dominance in the market. Keeping a close watch on competitors' strategies allow you to respond swiftly and effectively, ensuring your business stays competitive. Now that we have covered some key tools, let's talk about where to find this information. You don't need to hire spies or engage in unethical practices to gather competitive data. Plenty of public resources can provide valuable insights into your competitors. Look at competitors' websites, social media platforms, press releases, and annual reports for public companies. These sources often provide clues about their upcoming product launches, marketing strategies, and financial performance. Check customer reviews on sites like Yelp, Google, or Amazon. You'll often see patterns of what customers like and dislike about competitors' products or services. This can help you understand their weakness and areas where you can offer something better. Market research companies like Nielsen or Statista offer industry reports that give insights into competitor performance, market share, and customer preferences. Tools like Google Alerts, Hotsuite, or BrandWatch allow you to monitor what's being said about your competitors online. This can give you insights into their latest marketing efforts and customer sentiment. Competitive analysis is a continuous process, not a one-time activity. The business environment is constantly changing and your competitors are too. Make it a habit to regularly assess the competitive landscape and adjust your strategies accordingly. Choose a competitor in your field of interest, conduct a SWOT analysis, and build a brief competitor profile that indicates their key strengths, weaknesses, market position, and future strategies. Submit a 500-word summary outlining how this competitor impacts your industry and what opportunities exist for your chosen company to differentiate itself. I would love to hear your thoughts or questions on today's lecture. Have you ever noticed competitive strategies in action in the companies you follow? How do you think businesses can use these tools to stay ahead in a crowded market? Let's continue this conversation in the comment section. That's all for today. Next time, we will dive into how to define your unique value proposition, UVP, and how it differentiates your business from competitors. See you then.